Welcome back. Now this is precision work. A full house is moved from island to mainland using hydraulic systems. Costs can exceed $100,000, showing why planning and balance are critical. Don't forget, this video is for heavy equipment training and safety education, covering OSHA standards, insurance risk, and machines like John Deere and Cat. Alright, this is serious demolition power. A Liebherr HS855HD uses a wrecking ball to bring down a concrete structure. Controlled demolition like this can cost $200,000, requiring strict safety planning.
Super, hingelegt.
Easy mistake, big risk. A Massey Ferguson MF290 with a loader gets too close to water, loses balance, and slides in. This is why OSHA safety procedures, stable ground checks, and proper load control are critical. Rough roads can turn risky fast. A heavy freight truck overturns on uneven dirt terrain, highlighting why load balance, speed control, and OSHA safety practices are essential in haulage operations.
Deitou, onde puxar. Mira, mira, mira!
A costly oversight in Klagenfurt, a municipal truck drives with its crane arm raised, hitting an overhead sign. Damage reached about $290,000 according to reports, impacting multiple vehicles and stressing strict safety checks.
Ai, cara, no, Deus.
A split-second decision turned dangerous in Wola, Poland. A van tries to beat the barrier and gets hit by a high-speed train. The vehicle is destroyed, but the driver survives. Whitey, no injuries, reinforcing strict railway crossing safety rules. Power meets precision here. A Sony STC500S or similar extends its boom up to 50 meters, but at that height, capacity drops to around 1 ton, showing how balance and load limits are critical for safe lifting.
我操，这从头走到尾，这还得走一会儿呢，这距离有点长呀。
One small mistake can flip everything. Driving a forklift forward down a ramp with a load shifts weight dangerously. This is why OSHA safety rules require going in reverse when loaded downhill to keep control and prevent tip-overs.
لا يا شيخ لا 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 لف هنا شوي بس انزل لا 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 حول الله يا شيخ
Look closely. The dump truck submerged in quarry water, 2 JCBs yanking it by the bed. Wrong move. Always recover from frame or tow points. Never lift by buckets or beds. One snap equals crushed cab or worse. Do it right or don't do it at all.
Vai chegar, ai, ai, oh, oh, pelo amor de Deus, Gilmar, seu cab...
This is why I always say, scrapyards aren't chaos, they're precision under pressure. That Liebherr isn't just crushing a bus, it's feeding the recycling loop with surgical control. One wrong swing, $500,000 machine, zero margin for error. Respect the process, or become scrap yourself. This was actually caught on camera when the 14,000 TEU YM Witness slams into Eviat port, toppling 3 massive cranes like dominoes. One operator lightly injured but in good condition, containers in the water, and damage likely exceeding $50 million. Even with a pilot on board, one misjudged approach can wreck a port. Precision isn't optional, it's everything. Here's the thing, that mobile crane didn't just lean, it tipped because someone ignored load charts or skipped outrigger checks. Wheels off the ground? That's not lifting, it's gambling with $500 of steel. No one talks about this, but that Galapagos crane collapse wasn't just a 2 man-hours equipment loss. It dumped 2,500 liters of diesel into a UNESCO marine sanctuary. All because someone skipped the lift plan. In fragile ecosystems, recklessness echoes for decades.
Call 911.
This dumper truck loses control in Jaipur, triggering a 17-vehicle pileup. Dozens injured. But it highlights the importance of sober driving, proper brakes, and respecting speed limits. One split-second error shouldn't cost dozens their future. Stay safe out there.
Let's go fall. Yep.
Look closely. That Komatsu excavator isn't just digging, it's working under a ticking rockfall. One wrong move, one loose boulder, and it's game over. Operators in these zones risk everything daily. Respect the terrain, or it won't respect you back.
George, how much you pay for the new guy? 20.
Dai in faccia!
You only get one chance to load right. This operator didn't. One wobble, and a 250 kDi John Deere flips off the bedside like it's weightless.
Ajá.
Here's a moment I won't forget. The 60 Miller MV Stellar Banner, once hauling 300,000 tons of iron ore, slowly vanishes into the Atlantic after a fatal grounding. One wrong turn off Brazil, and a brand new ship becomes an artificial reef. Navigation isn't just routine, it's everything.
Чемодан, блин.
Выползли.
Твою мать! Ой, мама.
Ёбаный в рот. Уезжай.
А нас зацепили тоже, да?
Нет, нет. Ёбаный долбоёб.
Wait, this isn't a backhoe on a train, it's a rail-roaming robot. Meet the Herzog car topper, Axauer R. Built to crawl gondola cars, swap ties at speed, and do the work of a full crew, all with one operator. Precision engineering, not luck, keeps it from tipping. I appreciate you making it this far. Click the next video that pops up. You won't believe what happens next. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with another operator who needs to see this. Enjoy.